Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا الكيل والميزان بالقسط لا نكلف نفسا إلا وسعها وإذا قلتم فاعدلوا ولو كان ذا قربى وبعهد الله أوفوا ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تذكرون. Translation: And do not approach or spend the wealth of an orphan except in a best way to improve it until he reaches to age of maturity, and give in full measure and full weight with justice. And we do not charge any soul more than its capacity. And when you speak to testify, always give word of justice, even if it is against your near relative, and fulfill your covenant with Allah. This is what He commands you that you should remember. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the haram or forbidden things, and this is continued in this ayah, that spending unjustly the wealth of an orphan is haram. And if somebody has the control of the wealth of an orphan, he should be very careful and should spend very justly. And when the orphan is grown and able to take care of his wealth, he should be handed over his wealth. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned in this ayah that if you are giving something or selling something after measuring it, whether it is measuring or weighing, it should be done with justice. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not charge any soul more than its capacity, meaning that whoever has been given some capacity, he will be asked about that capacity. A common man will not be asked about the decisions made by a president of the country, but he will be asked about the decision he made in his home and so forth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned in this ayah that whenever you are testifying for someone, it should be based on the truth. It should not be based on that who is this testimony going against to or in favor to. So if somebody is testifying against even his closest relative, he should stick to the truth and must not be unjust or telling any lies. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned that if somebody is making a covenant with Allah, making a qasam or ahad, he must fulfill that. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given clear directions, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commended us so that we can remember His commandments. O Allah, give us true understanding of Quran and save us from all forbidden and haram things. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.